In this video, we will see how to delete empty and unwanted pages in Word. As you all can see, I have 4 pages. You can see here page 1 of 4. I'm in page 1, that's why it's showing 1 of 4. If I scroll it down, it will show all the other pages. I have 4 pages. If I click on the last page, it will show 4 of 4. So this is how we can see how many pages we have and which page we are in. So the first way how to delete empty pages is go to the page that you want to delete. Go to that page, click on that page, click on backspace until the page gets deleted. Yes. Now we can see page 3 of 3. We have only 3 pages. I'm in page 3, that's why it's showing page 3 of 3. If I scroll it up, click on the first page, you all can see page 1 of 3. That means we have only 3 pages. The 4th page has been deleted. This is one way, clicking backspace until the page gets deleted. And the next one is go to the page that you want to delete, click on that page and click on this button. This is called show paragraph symbol. Click on it. Once you click on that symbol, you will see the show paragraph symbol in all your pages, all across your pages. So what you have to do is you have to select all the show paragraph symbols and just click on delete key from your keyboard. Now you all can see that the page 3 has been deleted. There are only 2 pages. This is one page, this is the second page. You all can see that page 2 of 2, there are only 2 pages. So now get rid of all these show paragraph symbols. What we need to do is click on the show paragraph symbol again, then all these show paragraph symbols will be hidden. This is another way of deleting the empty pages or unwanted pages in Word. And the next one is click on your page, go to View tab, click on Navigation pane. Once you click on Navigation pane, we will see the pages on our left hand side. So click on the page that you want to delete, click on backspace until the page gets deleted. See, that's it. There is only one page now. The second page has been deleted. These are the 3 ways how to delete empty and unwanted pages in Word. Thank you so much.